Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to check out this 2023 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. As you can see, the hull is their platinum gel coat, as well as underneath the hardtop. Black rub rail, stainless steel insert, sitting beautifully on a Continental trailer. As we make our way back, tie off cleats, nice and sturdy. Nice big Boston Whaler emblem. This is unique. On a 23 foot, you can have twin 150s. You do have trim tabs as well. Let's make our way into the boat. Back here, you have a nice 4-step boarding ladder and a grab handle to get on and off the boat. Your freshwater sprayer. In the cockpit here, we have plenty of room, catching a big fish. Underneath here, a nice aft seat for 2 people easily. Best seat in the house. Live well back here. This nice innovative helm seat, it does add another seat back here while still having your leaning post at the helm. You have your 9-inch Simrad, your Mercury vessel view, VHF, JO audio, nice lockable glove box for all your personal items. And this is the sea gray upholstery, which is nice with the platinum. Up at the bow, plenty of seating here, and all these cushions do come off for your fishing days. And this backrest here doesn't come off, but you have this nice canvas to protect it. Storage. You can use it as a cooler. It's insulated. Top mount windlass with the remote, and you also have controls at the helm. In the console here, you see you have a nice porta potty, battery storage, plenty of room for all your gear. This boat is available. If you'd like to come check out the boat or go on a sea trial, give me a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.